A 10 kilogram mass hangs on a string with a tension of 52 newtons. What is its acceleration? Okay, so let's see, 10 kilogram mass. There's a force of gravity down, right? And that force, the weight is mg, is equal to 10 times 9.8 is 98 newtons down, right? We'll say negative 98. Now there's a force of 52 newtons up, and that's going to be positive. So notice that the force upward is less than the force downward. Okay, so this thing is definitely going to accelerate down. So we go 52 minus 98 is 10 times A. All right, I can do this. 52 minus 98, it's 46, negative 46, which is exactly, that's 10A, right? So A is equal to negative 4.6 meters per second squared. Yardley. All right. And so this thing's accelerating down. It's either starting to go down or it's moving up and it's slowing down. Okay? Because it can move either way and accelerate down. Just remember that.